slipping through the crowd.
Hey loves, welcome back to the MyCrownOfCurls YouTube channel. I feel like it's been a minute since I've said that, haven't uploaded a video in 2 weeks. So when I came back, of course I had to have like this banging hairstyle tutorial to show you guys. My hair feels so good and it looks even better in person. I wish you guys were here to see it, but I feel like this has to be the best perm rod set that I have ever done. So I'm of course going to show you guys how I achieved it. The products that I used were the MyCrownOfCurls leave-in conditioner, my twisting souffle. I also used the hair growth elixir, a little bit of mousse, and a tiny bit of gel on my ends. And by the way, this was done on hair that was freshly trimmed, so even better, you know. Oh my gosh. So without further ado, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, guys. What are you waiting for? And yeah, enjoy the video. So starting off on freshly washed and trimmed hair that has been stretched because it was in some big plaits. So I just had those in for like 2 days. Every night I was braiding my hair so that my hair would stretch out. That's the hair that I'm starting on now. And what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be re-moisturizing my hair. So first I apply the MyCrownOfCurls leave-in conditioner. Then I apply our twisting souffle. And next I apply some mousse. The mousse that I'm using is the ORS, I think it's the olive oil mousse. Yes, that's the one that I'm using. And I'm using about a quarter of a pump for each section. And what you see me doing now, I'm applying just a tad bit of gel to the ends of my hair so that it wraps around the perm rod very easily. And it's important to note that the ends of your hair make or break your style. So if the ends of your hair are busted but your roots are defined, your hairstyle is busted, okay? So just a little bit of gel, just a tad bit, would help you, you know, keep your ends intact. So I usually twist the roots of each section of my hair. I did an exaggerated twist here so that you guys could really see what I'm doing. This makes the separation process so much easier. So yeah, and then we just repeat all of the steps all around and we get ourselves a fabulous perm rod set. So yeah, enjoy the video. Let me stop talking. You guys enjoy.
The sun is rising, here we are. I didn't think we'd come this far. I just feel it. This is truly where I belong. Making my way down Ocean Drive. Hungover people pass me by. I know they feel it. Yeah, they feel the way that I do right now. Lost in Miami and we were too drunk, but it was only you and I. Only you and I. Can we go back to the times we were reckless and free? Just you and me. So take me back to South Beach. We were young and stupid, and that was all that we had. Take me back to then. Under the palm tree, it was only you and me. Getting drunk on Hennessy. Take me back to then. To those hot Miami nights.
So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's perm rod set tutorial. I'm absolutely feeling myself. Don't forget to like this video if you did, subscribe, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below because I love hearing from you. Be sure to follow me on my social media as well, which is linked in the description box down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.